Hey guys, I just got the 6-piece sewing loop kit. I want to show you everything that comes inside of this so you know exactly what to expect when you order it. Let's get this opened up for the very first time, and I'm going to get everything out, and I'll show you it one by one also so you can really see each of the pieces fully here. Got 4 of the 6 out. Let's get the last 2 plastic pieces out here. And to start off here, we have 2 plastic drawstring threaders. So you got a blue one and a pink one right here. And you can see they feel super durable. They are made of this plastic material, but they don't feel like I can kind of break them and snap them nice and easily. So that is parts 1 and 2. And then there is a metal drawstring threader as well, which is going to be this little piece right here. So again, made of metal, feeling super nice and durable with this threader right here. That is our 3rd piece in this kit. Of course, we've got the metal tweezers too. So that is piece number 4 in this 6-piece kit. Little tweezers right here. And then piece number 5 and piece number 6 are going to be our 2 turn loop hooks. So here is those right here. Our turn loop hooks. You can see they're exactly the same. Again, they're made of metal. They're not going to rust or break or anything like that. So that is the 6-piece set. You can use this to do basically whatever you want. Drawstring belts, making straps, anything like that. So that is a 6-piece set. Definitely go check this out.